Hi, lesson 67, practice set multiplying by multiples of 10, which probably one of the simplest things we learned this year. First off, let's begin. 75 multiplied by 100, or by 10. This is my trick. I just say 75, because I'm multiplying by a multiple of 10, which is 1 0, just plunk 1 0 on. 32 multiplied by 10, I say excuse me, I'm gonna just scratch that out. I say 3, 2, and then I put my 0, so 320. Here is 10 multiplied by 53 cents. I can do it two ways. I can say 5, 3, and then 0. And because I know that 53 is really a decimal number, by two places, I go 1, 2, and I put my decimal right there and my dollar sign right here. Or I can say 53 cents multiplied by 10. I put my 0 and I have 3 and 5, and I just take 1, 2 and put my decimal right there. Now, 26 multiplied by 20, I put my 0 down. 2 times 6 is 12. I carry my 1. 2 times 2 is 4, so 520. Here, $1.64 multiplied by 30, I put my 0 down. 3 times 4 is 12. I carry my 1, 18 plus 1 is 19, carry my 1, 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4, so, and we take and put it in two decimal places, 1, 2, $49.20, and our final one, I had to redo this, 45 multiplied by 50. And so I put my 0 down. 5 times 5 is 25. Put my 2 up. 5 times 4 is 20 plus 2. We have 2,250. There you have it. Pretty simple and fun. Good luck on the homework. Let me know if you have any problems. Have a great day.